Okay, now let off of the brake.
Press the gas.
Let off the brake.
Uh-huh.
Right, is it off? Okay, now start slowly.
Can I drive like this?
Slowly. Press on the gas. Don't look at the pedal.
I can't find
Look
the
at
pedal.
the street.
Oh my god! I'm so powerful.
Okay.
Oh,
Oh my
oh my god! Oh my god! It's crazy!
I'm in a car seat. I'm safe.
Turn around here.
You're Jacob, can I drive now?
There's a car!
Crazy.
Hey, turn it around. Slowly. Ooh, let's aim for the Mustang. I'm gonna aim for that. No.
You don't aim for things.
Stop it!
You aim away from things.
No, it's the.
Wow, we're gonna get real dizzy.
Are you just gonna go in circles?
Can we at least like go the other way?
Start doing that.
Okay, go over
That's what I'm
there
doing.
and go around the median.
Mom,
Turn to the
it's
right.
scary. Brakes. Brakes.
Can I drive now?
No.
I wanna drive.
Maybe we should have done this before we ate so we're not sick to our stomachs.
I have hiccups.
Jacob, drive.
I can't. The steering wheel's upside down.
Oh my god.
Ow.
Okay, at least put it in park if you're gonna freak out. Do you want Logan to drive?
No.
Yeah, let me drive for a minute.
The steering wheel's
Wait,
upside
deep breath,
down.
deep breath, deep breath. You got this. You got this.
I'm laughing, I got hiccups, the steering wheel's upside down. I don't know which way the wheels are pointed.
Turn it upright. That's turn it upside.